Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mapapanood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Nonito Donaire versus Cesar Juarez. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video nito, kung bago pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bagong natin i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po.
Juarez snuck a body shot in, and there's a massive left hand! And now the news!
Mayo ng taon 2014 matapos agawin ni Donaire kay South African fighter na si Piwi Pichika ang WBE World Super Bantamweight title. Oktubre ng kaparehong taon din ipinsa naman nito ni Nonito Donaire laban sa Jamaican undefeated fighter at WBE regular featherweight champion na si Nicholas Walters, kung saan nalasap ng ating kababayan ang kanyang pinakapangit na pagkatalo sa mundo ng professional boxing. Nang matikman ni Donaire ang kanyang unang pagkatalo sa kamano ng undefeated rising star na si Walter.
Gets in a left hook. Walters with two more right hand, and Donaire is down again.
I don't know if he'll get up this time, Jim. I don't think he will.
Kaya naman para maibalik ang ningning sa tinagurian na Filipino Plus, muling bumalik sa bantamweight division si Donaire, kung saan sinasabi na mas komportable ito makipaglaban. Pero dahil sa nagawa nitong may panalo ang resibong kanyang dalawang magkasunod na panalo kina Puerto Rican fighter William Prado at Prince boxer Anthony Satul, muling nabigyan ng pagkakataon para sa pandaigdigang kampyonato ang ating kababayan, kung saan sinagupan ni Donaire noong December 2015 ang noong palaban at batang kampyon ng Mexico na si Cesar Juarez. Ang laban ay naganap sa Coliseo Roberto Clemente sa siyudad ng San Juan, bansa ng Puerto Rico, para sa bakanting World Boxing Organization Super Bantamweight title na minsan na rin pinagharian ni Nonito Donaire.
Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Balikan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayan sa matibay ng Mexican fighter na sa titig pa lang ay gusto nang i-knockout ang kanyang kalaban. At alamin kung paano nga ba napalaban ng husto si Nonito Donaire sa boksingirong gutom at sa kasikatan at sa tibay ng panga ang sandata sa pagkipaglaban.
Round 1 of a scheduled 12 is underway.
Unang round pa lang ay nagpakita na agad ng tapang ang batang boksingero ng Mexico, bagamat tinatamaan ito ng solidong kombinasyon ni Donaire sa bakbakan. Hindi ito natinag at patuloy lang itong sumugod sa ating pambato, kung saan maaga nitong natikman ang pamatay na kaliwa ni Donaire.
Oh, big left hand! Oh! And Nonito Donaire going in for the kill. Trying for that uppercut once more.
When he attacks, he's able to land that uppercut in the middle.
And again, when you have a sharpshooter like Donaire, you go right up the middle all night long.
Donaire going to the body consistently with that left hand.
Forward and let his hands.
Gotta let his hands go.
Sa mga sunod na round ay pipiliin ng Mexican fighter na pasukin ang magalaw na depensa ng Pinoy fighter. Pero bigla ito makapagpatama ng solidong suntok sa ating pambato at kakainin lang ito ng mga suntok mula sa counter-attack ni Donaire, na talaga naman nagpayanig ng gusto kay Juarez sa bakbakan.
Round until right now.
Nice shot.
Juarez lands a shot and has Donaire on the ropes for a moment.
See how he's throwing punches? That's what's going to get Juarez caught on the chin.
Big right hand from Donaire. And Juarez is down. Juarez went down
Again.
3 times in the first round against Jorge Lara in July of 2012. He's in trouble here and in danger of going down a second time in round 4. Donaire trying to finish him off.
And there's the Filipino Flash with that big left hook.
Still standing up.
Another big right hand.
This is one tough guy right here.
Too much courage for his own good.
Juarez snuck a body shot in, and there's a massive left hand. Hey.
Juarez has put it all on the line right now.
Watch Nonito.
Oh! Juarez in trouble again. Still standing.
Big countering with that left hook.
The uppercut sneaks in.
He's getting hit with too many clean punches. If I was in this corner, I would probably throw in the towel.
Nagawang pabagsakin ni Donaire sa rompo at makailan ulit na patama ang solidong suntok sa Pinoy sa laban, nanatiling natayo ang Mexicano at patuloy sinusugod si Donaire sa bakbakan. Dito na nakakuha si Juarez na pagkakataon makapagpatama ang solidong suntok sa Pinoy fighter. Dahil sa walang tigil na pag-atake ng matibay na Mexicano sa lumalambot na depensa ni Donaire.
Build some confidence.
And who knows? I mean, he's kept some good shots, but Nonito is still sharp shooting.
He's doing one shot at a time. That right eye is cut up Donaire. I don't know if it was from a punch or a butt, but Donaire's getting hit with some clean shots on that ropes right now.
And Juarez has him pinned and has landed a couple.
Even though Juarez is not catching Donaire on the ropes, to the judge's eye, he's throwing punches, and Nonito is the one moving.
Well, I can tell you he's winning this round right now. But he's getting hit with some big shots.
Some bombs are landing for both fighters.
Wow. Juarez is sticking to him like flies.
Juarez senses something from Donaire. A flurry.
Wow. Don't push it. What is in Juarez? He's fighting like he's possessed.
There we talked about.
Oh my.
Nonito can change it, but look at Juarez coming.
Juarez is exhausted.
Oh my.
But he connects with the right hand.
But Nonito can change it with one punch.
He sure can, but look at Juarez. He's fighting back. He has something to fight for.
What a finish to round 8.
Oh, big uppercut.
Sa pagpapatuloy matindi sa gupan ng dalawang boksero, malinaw na hindi basta-basta magpapatalo sa laban ang matibay na Mexicano. Bagamat tinatamaan pa rito masulidong counter-attack ng ating pambato, ay patuloy pa rito nakatayo at sumasabay na suntukan kay Donaire. Kung saan makikita na halos napapagod na itong magpakawala ng suntok dahil na rin sa tibay ng bagitong Mexicano na agresibo pa rin sa bakbakan.
He's got to get on ropes right now. That's the beauty about boxing.
Oh, big right hand from Donaire. The right hand lands once more from Donaire.
Almost, but he's got to pick up the pace and just keep roughing him up. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Don't push it. Don't push, Donito.
Oh.
You called it, Tim. The nose of Juarez is just gushing right now.
Nice counter right hand. Once again, he threw a jab from too close. And he keeps doing that. I don't know why.
Uppercut. And Juarez lands with a left hand. What a fight in Puerto Rico.
Sa huling bahaging sagupaan, Donaire at Juarez ay tuloy pa rin ang umaatibong suntukan ng dalawang boksingero. Bagamat pareho dugaan, tumataas naman na kumpiyansa ni Juarez dahil mas dumadalang na ang pinapakawalan ni Donaire suntok kumpara sa Mexican fighter. Na tila ba hindi napapagod magpakawalan ng suntok sa laban. Dito na mas lalabas ang tunay na pagtapang ng ating kababayan. Puso na ang palabang Pinoy na pinapakita sa bakbakan.
He's got to look. He's laying on ropes way too much, taking way too much punishment. Early rounds, he was sharp shooting them, dropped him twice, but somewhere along the way, he stopped throwing those up. He started letting him come forward and pushing him on ropes. But he's a warrior. Look at his face. You gotta love that guy. I love Donaire. Love this kid.
This capacity crowd has gotten their money's worth in this one. What a fight in the final minute of round 12.
Donaire right now is showing a lot of heart right now. He's taking Juarez's best punches right now and dishing out like that.
Uppercut. Final 10 seconds of this one. A few more bombs to be thrown to close out
man sa laban by 12 rounds, unanimous decision para makuha ang bakanting WBO World Super Bantamweight title, malino na hindi naging madali para kay Donaire ang panalo kontra sa bagitong Mexican fighter na unang bisis pa lang sumalang sa pangdaigdigang kampyonato. Isa ito sa mga labang hinangaan noong 2015 dahil sa magandang ipinakitang laban ng dalawang boksero.
The Filipino Flash, Nonito!
Isang taon matapos matalo kay Nonito Donaire, muling napalaban si Juarez sa isa pang Pinoy fighter para naman sa WBO Intercontinental Featherweight title. Ginulat nito ang mundo ng Pinoy boxing matapos nitong pabagsakin at tuluyan may knockout ang Noy undefeated champion na si Prince Albert Pagara.
New WBO Intercontinental Junior.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa magandang performance pinakita ng ating bida sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!